Hello heroes, welcome to this tutorial. The first step is to adjust the horizontal x-axis. You want to move the eyewear left and right until your pupils line up with the scopes. Adjust the nose pads so that they're stable. Now we'll be adjusting the vertical axis by moving the eyewear up and down until it is level with your eyes. Press or flare the nose pads so that they're stable. Very good. Next step is to adjust the working distance. You can adjust the working distance by rotating the silver knobs. To tighten, it will bring the image farther away. And to loosen, it will bring the image closer. I like to use a notepad or a sticky note to draw across so that you can focus your eyes on. Position that notepad at the ideal working distance and adjust the silver knobs until the images are in focus. The next step is to adjust the convergence angle. You want to use the driver that's included in the kit and place it into the top screw. You can use this as a lever so that way you can unwind the screw and rotate the prisms so that way the images are synchronized. Once you find that the images are synchronized, you can tighten that screw. Final steps are to attach the harness. And the last step is to attach your loop light. The loop light you can slide onto the mount until it clicks. Very good. You're all done.